Alrighty guys, what is going up? Welcome back to another episode. In today's video, we are going to be talking about the one and only ticker symbol PINS here, also known as Pinterest. We're going to be talking about why I am buying Pinterest stock. Now, to put this out there, I do not own Pinterest stock, or, obviously before you guys invest, do your own research. Don't just invest, because I am. Do your own research here. So starting off with Pinterest. Now, Pinterest is a social media platform that has had an amazing growth in 2020 and in 2021 here. You guys can see it does have lows here at $15, highs here at almost $90. If you would have held it and bought it at the peaks here, that's around a 428% return on your money. And if you would have just dollar cost averaged this thing up, you're looking at around 120% growth, which is phenomenal. But why am I buying this stock right now? Is it undervalued, overvalued, or what's going on with it? Well, you guys can see that this stock does have quite a bit of resistance here at around $89 to about $85 a share. You guys can see it's hit it. We did get sell-off multiple times, came up, hit it again, and we did get some sell-off going back down. Now, why I'm buying this is because of this 200 moving average line. This 200 moving average line is, it acts as a couple of things. The very first thing it acts as is just an overall direction indicator. So you can look at it and know that this stock has an upward trend. The next thing it acts as is when the stock is above it, like it is up in here, it acts as an overall support. So every time the stock comes above it and taps it, we get buying pressure entering the stock. So comes in contact right in here, we get buying pressure. Comes in contact in here, buying pressure. So now, as we've had nice growth, we've had some nice sell-off, because you never want to buy when the stock's hitting highs. You always want to buy when it's on a support. So right now it's on a support. And the beauty of it is I'm just going to be averaging down as this stock falls, because yes, we'll probably get some buying pressure entering the stock, and it'll probably come back up to at least $67 or $70 a share. But if it doesn't, then I will just continue to average my share price down, because I do think there is some more support here at 55 with this price action coming in contact, buying pressure right at that 55 mark. So either way, I'm almost in a win-win, where if it falls down even lower, I can just get a better average price for my shares. So it's a beautiful way. Now that we have a good understanding of kind of like the technicals, let's look at Pinterest, their fundamentals here. So right now, Pinterest is not profitable, which is fine. Companies, aren't profitable all the time. There's a ton of smaller companies that aren't profitable yet. Snapchat, Pinterest, Tesla just became profitable about 2 years ago, so it's very common to actually see this. But one thing is you have to understand that yes, this dilutes the company more. So if they do become profitable, I'm sure that this stock will skyrocket up even more here. So the next thing here, let's go ahead and look at the revenue. The revenue's honestly been looking pretty good. You guys can see that we've had a 78% increase, 57% increase, 48% increase. All of that is very, very good here in my opinion. So hold on, right here. There's an ad. That's one thing about macro trends, is there's an ad, and it scared me for a second. But you guys can see the beautiful growth here in the past 12 months on the revenue side. Now let's actually go ahead and go to assets and liabilities and go to cash on hand here. I'm sorry, there's going to be another ad somewhere, so let's exit out of it. So you guys can see it does have a 16 or 17% increase with cash on hand, which is really, really good if you ask me, because that means if this company ever slows down, they have enough cash to get through a hard time. Okay, looking at the long-term debt, they don't have any data on it, which, yeah, that could be a good thing, but it also could be a bad thing that they're just not reporting it, but they should be. But overall, for me, this is pretty much why I'm buying Pinterest. They have a beautiful track record. I think the future for them is very, very strong here. The revenue's off the charts, 58%, 76%, and overall the stock price right now is undervalued. Not even just looking at the RSI, it's coming in on the undervalued there too. So guys, for me, this is just an absolute buy. It's an absolute steal for only $61. Yeah, I'm going to be buying probably $2,000 worth of it. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. And overall, I hope you guys got something of value, because that's the main idea with the video, with the channel. So we did have a little bit of an interruption with an ad. So I'm sorry about that, guys. Don't hit that dislike button. But we'll see you later. Remember to stay happy, guys. Stay positive, and stay safe out there. Take care, everyone.